Good morning, I am Aakash from grade 10. Welcome back to the conductivity of salt solution. The aim of this experiment is testing the conductivity of salt solution. The conductivity of salt solution is by measuring its ability to conduct electricity. Salt, when dissolved in distilled water, it dissociated into ions, which can carry the electric current. Results show that the higher amount of salt can increase the conductivity. And the procedure for this is measure a specific amount of salt and mix it and add some distilled water. Mix it well. By doing this, ion solution, firstly the electric current flow. And by turning on, it works. This is because of ions in salt solution, firstly the electric current flow. And the materials required for this is HW battery, switch, and a simple bulb. And imagine this as a beaker. And thank you.